want to show you how to remove and install the pillow on a Marquis hot tub. So you grab the bottom, it pulls it off, exposes those two guys. The center comes out. So if you're replacing or cleaning the pillows, you've got a way to take it apart and clean it. So if you're replacing or just putting it back on, you line these up with there, you push down over the black, and then you'll slide the insert back into position. The one thing I want to show you too is this series called the Crown Series. And this one's a little bit different. It's one solid pillow. You'll just grab and pull it off. Similar design where it lines up. To put this back on there, what you do is you line it up on the back side, you push up and down to position it, push the other side up and down, and then it locks it into place. What you don't want to do is just try to go like this, because it's not going to go into place. You just go up and down, slides into position, and you'll be good.